Welcome back to another K-Core, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're here in Alico Road. I want to show you what's going on here. Look at all those big construction going on. New businesses coming in. Right there, I think that's the Amazon building being built right now. That's going to be one of those distribution areas. And we're starting right here in Alico. And now I want to show you San Carlos Park. Okay? This is an older neighborhood that is in the middle of everything that's happening in Southwest Florida here in Lee County. Okay? San Carlos Park is an older community, but it offers great location. It's close to the airport. It's close to malls. It's close to Fort Myers. To Fort Myers from here, you're looking at 13 miles. To the airport, you're looking probably 3 miles, 4 miles. To shopping centers like Coconut Point in Estero, you're looking probably like 7 or 8 miles. Let me see what else. Miramar Outlets, you're looking probably 4 miles. I mean, it's in a great location. Fort Myers Beach, you're looking probably 15 miles. So location is great. 23 miles from Naples. I mean, it's in a very good location. Okay, it's an older neighborhood, so so you have homes, you know, starting probably in the 70s, 80s, 90s, and you also have some new homes that have been built here too. There's a lot of you know, new homes, also empty lots, some homes that have been completely, you know, they knocked them down and they built new ones. Okay, over here's San Carlos Park Elementary. If you're interested, if you like the area, the location that it's in, just feel free to go on the link below, and I'm going to have a link showing you all the homes available in San Carlos, okay? Also, let me show you in the map here, San Carlos. This is San Carlos right here, and it's a 5-mile square. This is what San Carlos is all about. As you can see, like it's an older community, you have mature trees. You know, in some areas you got sidewalk. Basically on the main roads. And today's a beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. Temperature, it's 89 degrees. And it's beautiful, cloudy and windy. It's nice. It's very nice. Okay. So here you can see those homes here. Probably those are from the 90s. You know, it's a mix. You get a mix of all different eras, you know, 70s, 80s, 90s, and the 2000s. And there's also different kind of homes being built. You got frame homes. You got modern style homes. You got, you know, it's very, let me show you a couple of homes here so you can see the different. See, that one there looks like a newer home. See this one, how different it is. And over here you have a park with a playground over here to my left. You got a playground, and also you have a community pool. See over there, it's the playground. And over here it's your community pool. I'm gonna go around. Sorry, you can't see the pool itself, but you can see that it has slides and it's pretty big size. Just remember, if you're interested in this area here, this is a great location, I'm gonna put in the link below everything that's available in the 5-mile radius of San Carlos, okay? Now I'm gonna continue going. I'm going to continue going south here so you can get an idea. This is San Carlos Boulevard. See over here, brand new construction. Like I said, look. If you go on the link below, you will see, homes. You can see also, everything that's available. So you'll see new construction, you'll see older homes. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. You can call us at 239-410-7372. If you're new to my videos, I just want to let you know that my wife and I have been selling Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Bonita, Naples, all this area here for over 20 years. So we've been here for a long time, and if you have any questions, we'll try to see, get you an answer. If we don't know, we'll try to figure out the answer for you. Okay, so feel free to call us at 239-410-7372. I hope you enjoyed this small video of San Carlos Park. And remember, if you have any questions, call us. And if you're new to the channel and you would like to know more about Southwest Florida, neighborhoods and communities and homes for sale available in different areas in Southwest Florida, covering from Sarasota to Naples, feel free to hit that subscribe button and keep watching. Okay, so from San Carlos Park in Southwest Florida, see you on to the next video.